Hello, this is not our usual travel video this week, but we are showing you what the road reconstruction looked like. And since it was happening right past our house, we thought, oh, why not just make a video of it? And maybe not everybody gets to see the entire process of a road being reconstructed, and what the difference between road reconstruction and road rehabilitation means. So here's the video. We were away during this process, so missed the tearing out of the old blacktop. Step number 2 is removing the road base. So first they took the blacktop off. What did they excavate a little further down? Now look at this black underlayment that they put down. Let's go a little further up. And now they're covering that up with fresh dirt. Well, here's the material that they're putting underneath. Well, look at how it's just a mesh. About 4 more houses and they'll be right in front of our house. Digging down deeper to lay the mesh, and then the new sand on top of that. Wow, that's loud. I don't know what they're doing right there. What is that man doing right there?
Looking probably to see how far the gas line is down.
And then back here, they're digging too. And then we get a lineup of dump trucks waiting. And those dump trucks seem to come from all over. Like one was Shawano, one was Antigo, one was, what is this one? This is Burnham Wood. Here's another one. Look at how wet our road is. I mean, so much rain yesterday they couldn't even work. And now they're back to work today. So here's the next dump truck. I don't know what city he's from. Now here it shows that they are already laying the black netting, and then the new dirt goes on top. So they're only a couple houses away from our place. You're seeing the process of road reconstruction, and I gave you the 5 steps in doing that. Now the difference between that and road rehabilitation is that rehabilitation is less invasive. It's a more simple process compared to reconstruction. Rehabilitation just kind of improves the performance of an existing road without entirely replacing its structure. Today they're getting ready to put in the curb and gutter, so the first thing is it looks like they added more soil and now they're flattening it out. And they're working on the north end of the block too. They sure are tricky machines. Today they're working on the aprons. So they're doing some digging out first in preparation of that. All right, I guess it's our turn now to get a new apron to our driveway. So they're just starting. Oh, what is that? Pouring out some gravel. Well, there's the cement truck. The other day they laid the dirt down and they didn't plant the grass seed yet, but that was the step before, and then it took them a while to get down to our block of the putting the blacktop, but that's the last step. They'll put the first layer down, and I don't know how long they wait before they put the second layer down. We were told that we can drive on that first layer of new blacktop after just 1 hour. Well, the reason they didn't complete that intersection that I'm showing now is because the next time they worked, they were working on the storm drains. And that is the entire system that collects and transports rainwater. Look at those long rolls. See how they lay that down? Cut it off. So they must have grass seed right in it. Putting stakes in the ground to keep it, held down good enough. One more coat of blacktop and the job is complete. Thank you for watching.